Artificial intelligence is rapidly transforming the world we live in, and it has become an integral part of the fourth industrial revolution. This technological revolution is characterized by the integration of AI, big data, sensors, gadgets, the Internet of Things, cloud facilities, machine learning, and augmented/virtual reality. These advancements are revolutionizing various industries, leading to increased efficiency, reduced human error, and round-the-clock availability. AI is expected to yield approximately $100 billion by 2025, as companies and entrepreneurs invest heavily in AI-related projects. The benefits of AI adoption are vast, with improved quality and reduced costs making it highly disruptive in various sectors. Industries that are likely to be significantly impacted by AI technology include healthcare, customer service, banking, financial services, logistics, retail, cybersecurity, transportation, marketing, defense, and lifestyle. The rapid advancements in AI are already changing the business landscape, and as a result, both large corporations and small businesses must adapt and leverage this technology to stay competitive. Cloud computing and cloud service providers are making AI adoption more accessible, further increasing its disruptive potential. In this rapidly evolving world, it is crucial to understand how AI is transforming industries, why it is taking over, and how we can prepare ourselves for the imminent changes. Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're discussing the top 10 industries that AI is predicted to take over in the near future. We'll delve into how and why AI will dominate these sectors, and what we can do to prepare ourselves for the inevitable AI revolution. So, let's dive right in. But first, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. Number 1. Transportation. AI is already making waves in the transportation industry with advancements like self-driving cars. With improved efficiency, safety, and cost-effectiveness, AI will take over transportation through autonomous vehicles and optimized traffic management systems. To prepare, we should start embracing these technologies and upskilling ourselves in related fields. Number 2. Healthcare. AI has the potential to revolutionize healthcare with virtual nursing assistants, diagnostics, and personalized treatment plans. By reducing human error and streamlining medical processes, AI will reshape this industry. To adapt, we must stay informed about AI advancements in healthcare and consider the ethical implications. Number 3. Education. AI will transform education by replacing traditional textbooks with digitized, interactive content and providing personalized learning experiences. As AI takes over, staying updated on new educational tools and technologies, and integrating them into our learning process, will be crucial. Number 4. Media and entertainment. AI is set to change the media landscape with content creation, recommendation algorithms, and targeted advertising. To stay ahead, we should focus on understanding the AI-driven media landscape and exploring new content strategies. Number 5. Retail. AI will revolutionize the retail industry by analyzing customer data, optimizing supply chains, and implementing targeted marketing strategies. To prepare, retailers should invest in AI technologies, and consumers should stay informed about how AI-driven systems impact their shopping experiences. Number 6. Manufacturing. AI-powered automation will increase efficiency and reduce human labor in manufacturing. To adapt, workers should focus on upskilling and transitioning to roles that require human creativity and critical thinking. Number 7. Finance. With AI's ability to analyze vast amounts of financial data, industries like banking and investment will be transformed. To prepare, we should focus on understanding AI's impact on financial systems and developing skills in data analysis. Number 8. Customer service. AI chatbots and virtual assistants will become the norm in customer service, handling routine inquiries and tasks. To adapt, customer service professionals should focus on upskilling and providing higher-level, personalized support. Number 9. Agriculture. AI-driven innovations like precision agriculture and smart farming will optimize crop yields and improve food security. To prepare, we should stay informed about AI advancements in agriculture and consider how these technologies might affect our food systems. Number 10. Security. AI will enhance security systems, from cybersecurity to border control, by analyzing patterns and predicting threats. To stay ahead, we should focus on understanding AI's role in global security and developing skills in cybersecurity. AI is set to reshape our world, and these 10 industries are just the beginning. By staying informed, embracing change, and upskilling ourselves, we can prepare for the AI revolution and thrive in the new era. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights into the future.